So today's lunch consists of lima beans, peas, avocados, and some sweet potatoes that I coated in olive oil, cinnamon, salt, and paprika and roasted at 400 for about 45 minutes. They are definitely our favorites. Then those are banana slices with peanut butter, cinnamon, and honey. Obviously, the fruits and veggies are great for them. The avocado is really healthy fat. The sweet potato is bright orange, so it offers wonderful antioxidants. Cinnamon is an awesome anti-inflammatory spice, as well as cumin and turmeric. Just really good anti-inflammatory properties. Great for kids with allergies and cancer, diabetes, anything like that. And then, of course, bananas are good for you because they're a fruit. The peanut butter, some protein and healthy fat. And then there's more cinnamon on that. And the honey, great for kids with allergies. It has to be raw and local, of course, to benefit you as far as allergies go. So this is our lunch today, packed with nutrients, filling, and delicious. Enjoying the beautiful spring day. This is pretty much how we have lunch every day in the spring and summer because it's just too good to be inside.